Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Microsoft Defender in Windows 11. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing what you are going to do is open up the settings on your computer. Then when you have that, as you can see right here, we are going here to the privacy and security, just like that. And the first one right over here at the top, Windows security, click on that again. Um, Now you will see this one here, and yeah, again open Windows security here, press this button, and something like that will turn on. Now under the virus and threat protection settings is this one right here. Click basically the manage settings, so this one right over here. And now what we are going to do is toggle the real-time protection switch to off. So we have this one just like that. We do that. We can do that for all of them. And yeah, this is how we will turn off Windows Defender. Now, quick, but you will need to know that the system will automatically turn it back on after a short period, or when you reboot the system to keep your device secure. So yeah, this is the way how you can turn off Defender temporarily in settings app. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.